Today I'm going to show you how to create a Teams meeting outside of an actual team. The first thing you're going to do is make sure that you are on the Calendar tab within Teams, and then you're going to create a new meeting. From here you can title the meeting whatever you would like, and you are going to look at your class roster and add students individually. For the purposes of this tutorial, I am not going to actually add in any students to protect their identity, but as you type in the names, they'll pop up and you can add as many as you'd like. Choose the date of the meeting and the time. You will not be able to add a channel because a team does not exist for you to tag. So instead, at the bottom, we can add any details for this meeting, and this is where you can attach any documents that you want your students to be able to access, since they won't have a Files tab of an actual team. So I'm going to pull up my OneDrive and click the bubble to copy the link. And once that link is copied, I can go back into Teams and insert that link and put any text that I would like to put. I can name the document whatever I'd like. And now that is a clickable link in the details of the meeting for students to click on to access whatever you would like to share with them, whether it's a syllabus, a welcome survey, whatever the case might be. When you're all done, you'll hit save and it will go into the calendar, and students can go to their calendar and that will show up and they can click to join.